Hi guys, the new game mode Hyperblend just came out and it's insane. The amount of combos you can do with these combinations are actually mind-boggling. In this game, I got Aurora and I chose Harley's Dash as my acquired skill. So basically my plan for this game is to literally just go full on hit and run and just go in with Harley's Dash and just murder everyone and then go back to my previous position. Anyways, I'll leave you guys to watch the video. Enjoy!
Girl, yung sa akin yung kay Zilong yung sa akin, girl. Also, bakit ako yung nasa? Dapat ikaw dito, Koki. Ating ikaw. Ako. Oh my god, I'm gonna be dead. Yup. Wait lang. Bino, wala na naman yung tunog. Wait lang. Wait. Oh. Yan. Okay. Girl, ang tawag na to. Ayoko sa pakiramdam yung parang nawawala yung tunog. Kasi, I don't know.
Ayo.
Diba? Girl, yung si Benedetta, girl, yung kay Chu, yung sa kanya, babe, what the fuck? Like, literally. Tapos, like, ginagaya niya pa yung ano, yung movement ni Chu. No?
Holy.
Ayoko na nga doon, dito na lang ako sa laki niya.
Ang ilalagay.
Nakalan. Ako nandito. Sige. Dupog. Dupog. Si Odette?
Ah. Eh, pagkit.
Ano naman ako na puro hits? Ay, puro run lang. Run lang yun sa akin. Walang hit, run lang. Sige. What the fuck?